video. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Yes. So just a quick word. Of course, we are just activating the integration. We do have some further marketing material. Sorry, there was a fly. We have further marketing material that again you can, of course, feel free to use. I can share this with you. Of course, more from a brief presentation of the general, premises of PrintReleaf. Again, the general premises is that, again, customers should compensate, so reforest, right, the consumption of paper, just, for planting, new trees, of course, equivalent to the use of paper. And again, this is the ratio they use. They have a little bit more, kind of useful information that, again, you're free to share. This is how, just to give you a quick overview, how the integration works. So it's just with the data flowing with the API, goes directly, with the PrintReleaf that, of course, deals with, the deforestation itself and the conversion. And again, you are free. We will touch on a little bit more on the dashboard that we have on MPS. You are able, if you want, to choose which reforestation project you want to contribute to. It's not mandatory. You can. If not, PrintReleaf would choose one from default. And again, you mentioned, right, of course, like the footprint. So they will have a certificate available, a little bit of graphs. So again, marketing material that I'm sure you can use. Again, I can share this with you, no problem. So this is just, for the more, marketing PrintReleaf perspective, but again, should be very useful. So for the integration itself, it's kind of very simple. So I'm in a test account just to show you because it's already, activated. So we have some data in it, but it's pretty simple. So under the dealer setting, right, so in your account and details, you will just see, if you scroll down, other services, and you will find PrintReleaf right here. Of course, now it's activated. This is the part, you will have the services. This is the part we do for you. So you just, ask, Chin already, did this, but the dealers ask to have the PrintReleaf option activated. And this is our part, and we activate it for you. Once this is activated, and again, you can check under here, what you will have to do then is to actually go, right, in the customer that you want to activate this feature in, you want to proceed, and again, go in details, customer details, right? And again, other services, and you find a new PrintReleaf right here. You will find as like this activate button. Again, it's not present at this time because it's active, because I wanted to show you, the details, but you will just have a button right here, like this one, a green, you activate it on the client, and you're good to go. So it's just, it's meant to be, it's really easy. The first part at the dealer level, we do that for you, and you just have to go to the customer when you want, to enable the function and activate it right here. Again, customer details, other services. We do have, by the way, a small document that, again, I'm free to share it with you at the end of the call. There is just, again, a recap, a little bit, the steps, also have a little bit of a video, and it also list what I'm going to show you in a minute. So it also list a little bit of what's in the dashboard that you're going to see after the activation. And again, a little bit overview of what we present. Again, I will show you this document gladly with you at the end of the call, so you just have it for reference. But
so activation wise is client by client. There's no bulk activation button
for all.
functionality? Okay.
Not at this time, not for the user. Of course, if you want, to mass activate, we can have the discussion, and I can, ask the dev team, our team, how can we make that possible? Like at this time, Yes, it's just you just have to go to the customer and activate. But again, if you have a necessity, you want to activate, I don't know, 50 at once of that kind of volume, we can have, that conversation, and I will ask the dev how we can, manage that for you.
No worries. Yep.
Yeah, sure. So the print relief tab. So let me show you. So once this is activated, the print relief integration is activated, you can find two tabs. You can find one under the dealer setting here. You see it's print relief. So this one, you will be the main one, right? So it's at the dealer level, we call it. So this will have the general overview of, across all the client that you are activated. Just for your information, we do have the same tab. So since called print relief inside the customer, again, when you are activated, and this tab is very similar. It has, the same, so this is low, here we go. But this tab here will be pre-filter for this customer. So if you want to have a specific, certificate or insight or data already filtered, so just for one specific customer in particular, you can find it here. So let me flick it back in here so it's more general, and you have if I can show you. Okay, so here what you can see on the dashboard. So first of all, here on the top, oh, sorry. Yeah, you have a question? Oh, no, okay. No, and I was saying on the top right, you see here that's marketing resources. So if you click on it, you will find a lot of marketing resources, again, for you to use, like the logo in, different format. I don't know, the brochure, again, part of probably what's, here we go, like this, the presentation, that is what I will show you. I will show you in at the start of the presentation. That's again introducing the print relief in itself. And again, all the material are here. Of course, if you, I don't know, you struggle to find or you need anything else, you're free to ask us and we'll see what we can do. But again, the general are here on the top right, marketing resources, under the dealer setting in the print relief dashboard. So this is where the function lives. So back on the dashboard, you can see straight away that we have like a nice graph here that says, of course, like the volumes details. And here they are breakdown of the period and, the pages of each period. And of course, the equation, like the calculation, what corresponds in trees, like how many trees planted. Here at the bottom, it's where you can find the lifetime certificate. And again, it will be the same on the customer level. Let me see if it's loading. Here we go. So this is, of course, this is the name of the test account that I'm using. This will be, the dealer name. So, but this is just to give you an example of what the certificate looks like. Again, we have a short, summary of the impact.
Can you off your mic?
Yeah, so as I was saying, this is just an example of the certificate, of what you're gonna see when you press the certificate and the impact. Yeah, and right down here again, since you are at the dealer level, you can see you have a nice recap down here of the active customer. So the one you have, activated the print relief, because again, this is at dealer level, so it's, top of the tree, it's an overview of them. So let me flick back a little bit on the customer because I wanted to show you also a nice function here. Here we go. Here at the customer level, so inside the customer, or again, the print relief dashboard, you can see that you also have here the possibility to choose what I mentioning before. So which project the deforestation will go to, like the deforestation project. The different one, again, totally optional, but if you have, particular interest, you can choose. And again, here you will see the recent transactions. So just to show you in the download, Again, it's a small certificate. Of course, this is the name of the customer because it's just a demo, right? It's just an example that this will be the name of the customer instead of, other house here. And again, it will
Is that
see.
something only available to the dealer, or does the customer also have a page like this?
Right. No. So, if the customer you have given right the login, the user
Okay.
to access the portal, we should have it is possible for them to show him this dashboard. Yes, that's a capability they should allow to. I will double check, but again, it should be
Wait.
available. Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
when customer would like to see, then you need to create a customer user for that only his customer site, and then
For MPS, I'm aware. So
yeah.
they will suddenly see the print relief portion. Is that right?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so. Yeah.
Yeah.
I see.
We double check what's the permission, but again, should be see no problem. It's just again a tab under the customer.
So Veronica,
it's-
just short question.
Yeah.
When you mention about projects, that's the for the customer, you can define a project, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
That's the one you mean, right? Or it's a different thing?
Yes, so this is the project. This is the PrintReleaf project. So
Okay.
it's where it's not like business, like it's not it's where here we go. It's where the reforestation will go to. So that's the ability for you to choose in which part of the world, right, the forest will be planted. It's just a possibility. Like you're not it's not mandatory, right? You're not forced to choose one. If you don't choose one, PrintReleaf will assess the I think if I'm not wrong, like the kind of more local, the nearest local one it needs. But it's just you can. Yeah, again, it's not mandatory. If you have a particular interest in mine, for example, I don't know, France or British or Malaysia, the one we're able here, you can target one, but again, not mandatory. But
Okay.
yeah, so this is basically just again, it's more of a commercial side, so not really my part, but just to give you just to tell you the print relief service will be billed monthly. In case I know you said that of course for your customer you want to do them for free your but this the certificate the service in itself we will have a monthly cost, but that will be more of commercial discussion, so not my part, not my role. But yes, so this is basically the overview of what we can show in the dashboard. And again, pretty easy to activate. Is just in the other services, and then you just find it right here, and that will activate the corresponding dashboard and section. As I mentioned, again, we have a lot of marketing material over here, and if not, I can show you again I can send it to you, the one that I have, and a recap, the word recap with the function. But that's basically it. It's pretty, straightforward, I guess, because it's just an API call, right? For them. So for the data, and is PrintReleaf that actually, do the thing. So yeah, so that's the thing. I don't know if you have any other question or yeah.